Good morning, y'all. It is Reedy here. Today is our final day in Siargao. So we are heading to some of the most beautiful natural wonders here of the island. Let's go.
We will be exploring 3 destinations today, which can be visited in this order or in the opposite order, depending on the ocean tides for the best experience at each location. I will provide a link for the website that I used to check the ocean tides in Siargao. The first step for this itinerary is renting a motorbike, which will cost you anywhere between 280 to 400 pesos per day, depending on how long you rent it.
We have arrived at our first natural destination here today of Siargao, which is the Magapunko Rock Pools. Unfortunately, we did try to get here earlier, but it was a bit stormy this morning. If you do come here, you need to come at low tide to actually see the rock pools. It is already starting to become high tide, so it does not look like we're going to see them in their full beauty today. However, we are going to go over and check it out and show you what it's like here at the rock pools. When you do come here, make sure to be extra careful walking because these rocks are slippery and they're sharp. As you can see, these ugly ass expressions on my face are genuine because my hands hurt like hell trying to take some of the weight off of my feet. As this is the Magapunko Rock Pools, as you can see here, there is the nice blue water. However, typically these rocks that are down here are typically above the water when it is low tide. However, due to some storms, we were not able to make it here during low tide, but did still want to see this magnificent beauty. We are here, however, we are still battling some storms. It looks like it is going to rain here. So I think our time here at the rock pools might be cut a little short. However, we are going to enjoy our time here at the rock pools before heading to our next destination tonight. Before we leave, we have some Filipino snacks. We have salvero, which is like a little, well, not so little, corn chip with some chocolate sugary sauce on it. These are absolutely fire. We got one the other day. It was fantastic. This is the face of a happy camper right here. That is good. And some ice cream, never fails. Also, mango, which is my fave. Ice cream after the ocean always hits the spot. Now let's get to this next spot. And we have just arrived to our second destination of today, which is the Tayngban Cave pools. Once you arrive, you just have to pay 100 pesos for the entrance, which does include a tour guide for a full excursion of caving. However, the water is going to be around chest level or so this is a full cave experience and not for the faint-hearted. Let's get it. Ooh, that's cool, ladies and gentlemen.
experience crawling through the cave's trenches, you enter a beautiful natural pool for an afternoon filled with fun. After our time at the cave pools is over, it is optional to provide a tip for your guide, but with how amazing this experience was, I felt it was a necessity, so we tipped our guide 250 Philippine pesos.
We have just concluded at the Tayngban Cave pools, which is absolutely phenomenal and so fun, but we still have one more destination on our list here for today. Let's go.
Unfortunately, I ran into a little audio issue, but we have finally made it to our third and final destination here of the day, the Maasin River. It is 20 pesos per person to enter, and 20 pesos per person if you would like to take some photos on the raft that they set up there for you. Unfortunately, the iconic swing on the river was closed after the typhoon hit the island last year, but they built this massive platform to jump into the river, which was surprisingly high and very fun, and a must-do.
No, we gotta get to the edge, and then we don't need to run far.
Go!
That was good. That was high. Good luck. Good luck. And to finish our day, another cliff jump here at the Maasin River was a perfect way to end our day exploring some of the natural wonders here of Siargao. Guys, all of these activities are absolutely must do. They are all very cheap. If you have a bike, it's very easy to do a full day tour. Guys, if you have made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I very much appreciate that. And please click that notification button so you will know when I post my next videos. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.